Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to day 9 of our belly fat blasting challenge. All right, today we are going to be doing a muffin top workout. Let's get into it. Alrighty, first exercise, we have a windmill, wide stance, hands go out to the side. All right, hand goes to opposite foot or shin or knee, whatever you can reach to. All right, just take your time and come down with a nice flat back first, using those core muscles, all right, to bring you up as well, flat. And then other side, very good. Other arm goes up towards the sky, all right? That engages your back, your shoulders muscles as well. Taking your time, flat, flat, tummy tuck, all right? And then other side. And 3, 2, 1, coming up and release, very good. Next we have cross toe taps, all right? So kind of what we just did, except we're bringing our feet up to our hand, all right? And we're not going down to our feet, all right? So nice straight spine, all right? Using those core muscles to bring your foot up to you, all right? So inside, kind of this, boom. Very good. Chin up, chest up. Awesome job. If you need to do your knee instead of your foot, that's okay too. You'll get more flexible over time. And 3, 2, 1, and down, shake it out. Wide stance for some sumo iso reaches, all right? So sumo iso reaches, we're going side to side. So we're isolating our trunk, just moving our upper body and reaching to the side, and then the other one. While our feet and our legs stay in sumo position, knees out to the side, we're not buckling in. All right, so push those knees back, and there you have it. All right, if being in sumo position is too much, go ahead, straighten those legs, and do it standing up. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, center, stand, and release, very good. Next we have cross crunches, hands behind your ears so you don't pull on your head, and elbow to opposite knee. All right, very good. Chin up, taking your time, all right, you can go nice and slow, different pace. All right, or go ahead, go for a little bit more cardio, speed it up, but quicker doesn't always mean better, all right? You want quality over quantity, proper form. So really taking your time, using those core muscles to balance, all right? Tight core muscles to stay centered and choose your form properly. Very good, and 3, 2, 1, center, release, and there we have it, set 1, done and dusted. Set 2, starting with our windmill. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and cross toe taps. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, sumo position, iso reaches. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, straight, release, hands behind your ears, cross crunches, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, celebrate. 2 sets done and dusted. Great job, starting with our windmill. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and cross toe taps. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, sumo position, iso reaches. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, straight, release, hands behind your ears, cross crunches, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, celebrate. And there we have it, my beautiful people. Day 9 done and dusted. 3 sets of this awesome muffin top workout. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. And then I will see you tomorrow with Coach Greg for our final day 10 workout. See you there.